you ready for afternoon tea?
Cheers, my darling.
Cheers. This is the prettiest hotel during the holidays. So cool. Look at that view of the Fairmont. The Fairmont. Whoa, love the arch. We are in line to check in now. Which crown would you like, Levi? Wow, thank you, babes. Look, you're a real princess now. Wow, so festive in here. Are you ready for afternoon tea?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh.
Cheers, my darlings.
Exciting.
Gloves off.
Thank you. Oh, you're going in. Is it hot? Okay. Oh, excited about your hot chocolate? Looks so good. Have you got a macaroon?
Look, I'm eating someone's stocking.
It's pretty cool. We're heading to the North Pole. Nice. Oh, fireplace. Oh, my favorite. We're at the Gatehouse waiting to start our Christmas craft activity. Yay!
So checking out the crafts. What are we gonna make, B?
I'm gonna make a reindeer.
Gonna make a reindeer? Alright, let's do it.
What I have.
Yeah, let's put those parts on the table here. Okay, let's put all of this out here. Let's put the red nose on our reindeer. Woo! That's awesome.
I think what we're gonna do.
Our Santa coming along there.
Oh wow. King Levi. This is the prettiest hotel during the holidays. Have fun at the pool.
To the pool.
I could only get a late dinner reservation, which is why they're gonna go to the pool to kill some time, and then we're gonna go to dinner. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm so glad you're wearing your Darth Vader flip-flops. I'll hold it.
Oh, you will? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
I'll miss you. I love you.
I love you. Bye. So excited.
Yeah. And this is the indoor pool. Looks like it's a bit of a lap pool
What is a lap?
for doing laps. And they've got a section there with some floaty stuff with the kids. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the outdoor pool.
Okay, let's go check out the warm outdoor pool. Come,
Well,
come.
I can stand. Abba, look.
You can stand?
Yeah.
Okay,
My
great.
feet are flat.
Your feet are flat on the ground? Awesome.
Does it get deeper?
It does.
Okay, I need my goggles.
I hear that you had super fun at the pool, right?
That was great.
You must be hungry?
Yeah, but I want some water. I'm really thirsty.
Okay.
Some at the restaurant.
And then we have a reservation at the Vermillion room for 8 o'clock. Are you looking for your crown, baby?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yay, her brother found her crown for her. Let's see the completed look. Ta-da! Ready for dinner now?
Not yet.
Why?
My gloves.
You need your gloves. Wow, you're a real lady.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, kids are already eating. They both got chicken fingers and fries. And Beatrice has a really comfortable seat on Dad's lap.
Always.
Let's see, Levi. Dessert time.
Gloves are coming off.
Oh yeah,
I will keep them for you.
nice.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thanks, my boy.
Okay, family, let's get into our pajamas.
okay. PJ time.
I have to go pee. Oh, yeah.
I just need your love. I just need your love.
Okay, going in at the deep end. Gonna have lunch at Stop today. Lunch is served.
Everyone's super hungry after the swim. Epic gingerbread house. Oh dear. We are looking for the Champlain room. Going to watch a Christmas movie. They got a little treat bag. What's in your treat bag, guys? Just candy canes. BB, how many have you had?
2.
Nice.
No. Here goes 6.
Okay, I just wrote a letter for Levi and BB. Can you put this in? There we go. Good job. Put it in the box. Good job, baby. Let's see if Santa replies, okay? It does? Okay, so Tim is just back with our dinner from Old Spaghetti Factory, and then we noticed that there's a letter from, we think it's Santa, right? Okay, let's open it.
Yeah. What does it say?
Okay.
Well, let's read it.
Okay, so that's really nice, huh? Thanks, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
How's the food, guys? Delicious.
We like it. Oh, use your napkin, buddy.
Just having a humble sit-down meal here on the floor of our hotel room.
No, it's a feast, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, a pasta feast.
It's good. I like it.
I like you. I love you.
Love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
No, I love her.
We all love each other.
I love her
The great
first.
thing about family.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like they're having a wedding here today. Oh, I wish we could stay and watch. We're checking out now, though. So pretty. Hi. Levi wants a clip too. Hi, Levi. Bye, Fairmont.
Bye, Fairmont. Bye, Fairmont.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bye, Fairmont.
Bye, Fairmont.
So before leaving Banff, we're gonna stop at a couple viewing points because it looks really beautiful today. It was snowing pretty much all day yesterday, but the sun is out today. This is our first stop. It's stunning. Gorgeous waterfall. Oh.
Okay, let's wait. Onions are burning too.
Oh, it's beautiful, but so cold. Oh my gosh, so happy to be back in the warm car, right guys? Okay, one moment. Okay, our last stop is Surprise Corner. It's gonna be beautiful. Wow, look at that view of the Fairmont.